Hey guys, it's Thanky. I'm back again with another beautiful video. So today I just wanted to show you guys how I made this really cute crisscross crop top, which is easy to make. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Thankiwe and I do fashion videos. So subscribe to my channel for fashion, hair and food videos, and let's get to the video. So you're gonna need a stretchy material. I fell in love with this one. um the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half, but make sure you measure your body before you sew it. So um the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to now fold it in half and then sew all the way. I'm not going to show you guys. I'm done with that. Done with sewing. So now I'm going to flip it's around inside out, and I'm going to now try to put it together as a crisscross. Please follow through the video. This is very easy to make, and this top you can rock it with a nice high waist skirt or a high waist jean, whatever, and you can wear it anywhere. And I'm done. So if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more videos, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.